good day. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm going to make a delicious mix and match salad. Alright guys, let's start guys. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to use to make my mix and match salad. Alright guys, I'm going to use some lettuce. Absolutely love lettuce. I'm going to use a pear. I'm going to use a small onion. I'm going to use a tomato, 2 eggs, and some real bacon bits. Okay, guys, you want to put your eggs to boil for about 15 minutes. All right, so I'm going to put my egg to boil right now. Meanwhile, I'm going to just, peel my pear and cut up my tomato. All right, see you shortly. Guys, so now is my onion, okay, but I already cut up some onion, guys, so I don't have to use that one. All right, so here I have some here cut up. So next is my lettuce, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little white onion over my lettuce, and guys, you can put some over the tomato too. So guys, I'm gonna throw some bacon bits all over my salad. Woo! Guys, this is gonna taste so yummy. And then guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a little twist to it, guys. I'm going to put some Mexican mixed cheese just on the lettuce, guys. All right, okay guys. Salad look absolutely delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to dig in. If you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, share if you like. All right guys, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.